bank reconciliation statement. Question number 8, practical question number 8. In between, I will ask you the transaction and you have to tell me the balance of cash in hand, balance of passbook, and so on. Keep your cameras on, everybody, or I will remove you from the class immediately. It shows a bank overdraft of 2,500. Overdraft balance as per cash book is given. Overdraft balance as per cash book is given. Overdraft balance means minus. We will write in the minus column 2,500. Now, very importantly, checks amounting to 14,600 had been paid to bank, but only 12,200 were credited till 30th June. Checks of 14,600 were deposited in the bank. Checks of 14,600 were deposited in the bank, but only 12,200 are cleared by the bank. Priya, what does this mean?
हेलो सर.
Yes,
सर ये क्वेश्चन कौन सा था? क्वेश्चन कौन सा चल रहा है?
who is this?
सर बिलाल.
Question number 8, practical question number 8, BRS. Yes, Priya Sharma, are you getting the voice?
Sir, we have paid 14,600 in the bank. We have deposited, but the bank has only credited 12,200. So the passbook will be minus and cash book will be plus.
How much is the difference?
Sir, 2,400.
2,400. Can you see here? Everybody, we have added 14,600 in the cash book, bank column, but in the bank only 12,200 are credited. Credited means added, plus in our account 2,400 is still a difference. तो यहीं से हमने ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया दैट द बैंक बैलेंस इज लेस, कैश बुक बैलेंस इज मोर. cash book is plus balance, passbook is minus balance. How much it is? 2,400. 2,400. $2,400, because we are focusing on passbook. We are preparing cash book and we are making it equal to passbook. तो ये देखिए 2,400 माइनस कॉलम में लिखा है because we are comparing it with the passbook and passbook balance is minus. Because the passbook balance is minus, so we will also subtract 2,400 rupees. Look here, अगर 14,600 में से 2,400 subtract कर देंगे, then we will have 12,200. Cash book will also show 12,200 and both the books will become equal. Are you getting this point, everyone? Raise your hands if you are getting the point. And if you are not getting, means you have not understood the differences, causes of differences in the balance of cash book and passbook. My dear students, schools are going to reopen very soon. You must have got the news. And after that, you will have only 2 to 3 months to complete whole book. Now I will be very fast. I will only give you some questions on the board and I will move to the next chapter. It is you who has to do the numericals, practice numericals at home. Without doing all these numericals, you will not be able to understand the chapters, and all these are going to be asked in the exam. Be serious, be regular. Entry number 2. He had also issued checks amounting to 10,000, out of which only 3,600 has been presented for payment. Checks issued, not presented. Checks issued but not presented for payment. When checks are issued, principal
Yes, sir.
in the transaction. Principal. This is your class test also, okay? If you are not responding, if you are not answering, you are getting 0 for your exam. You have done poorly in the exams, all of you, and now you are not serious in the second term also. Mahima, not serious in the second term. Checks are issued. When a company issues the checks in cash book, it is minus. We have recorded it in the cash book as minus 10,000, but only 3,600 are presented for payment in the bank. तो बैंक से सिर्फ 3,600 माइनस हुए, 6,400 रुपीज अभी आपके बैंक से माइनस नहीं हुए. इट मीन्स इन द बैंक 6,400 रुपीज आर मोर. ये जो हम एरो बना रहे हैं, आपको एरो बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is only to tell you that 6,400 is written on the plus column, plus side, because passbook shows plus balance. In passbook, in bank, it is plus. So we are writing it in the plus column so that cash book becomes equal to passbook. Ans Gupta, third transaction, a check of 500 which he had debited to the bank account was not sent to the bank for collection by mistake. A check of rupees 500 was added in the cash book, but it was not sent in the bank for collection. एक चेक 500 रुपए का कैश बुक में तो रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है, बट पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, बैंक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट सेंट टू द बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन. जसनजीत, आर यू लिसनिंग? Not getting the voice. Simply they are sitting and just doing the formality. Ayush, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then there are 10 bank charges and 50 interest. Debit in the passbook. Debit in the passbook means passbook में less. Bank charges and interest. Bank charges and interest. When bank charges something, then it debits our account. So in passbook, bank charges and interest are debited, which we are not aware of. We have no intimation regarding. So हमने अपनी कैश बुक में माइनस किया नहीं, अभी पासबुक में माइनस हो चुके हैं. It means if we will also subtract from our passbook 10 rupees and 50 rupees, 60 rupees, our passbook will be, cash book will become equal to passbook. Cash book will also become equal to passbook. Then next one, a customer directly paid into account 1000. Direct deposit by customer. Direct deposit by a customer in our account. Direct deposit by a customer in our account. Asay, what does it mean? Which side is more? Which balance?
Sir, cash book is minus and passbook is plus.
Cash book is
Minus
and
and
passbook
passbook is
plus. Because a customer has deposited in our account. Our debtor has deposited in our account directly without telling us, without informing us. He has directly deposited the amount in our bank. We are not aware of it. तो कैश बुक में हमने अभी एंट्री नहीं करी है, पासबुक में 1000 रुपीज प्लस हो गए. हमने भी अपनी कैश बुक में 1000 रुपीज ऐड कर लिए, सो दैट आवर कैश बुक ऑल्सो बिकम्स इक्वल टू पासबुक. लास्ट एंट्री, बैंक हैज पेड इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 4000. according to our instructions. Payment made by bank 400 rupees. Payment made by bank 400 rupees. Payment made by bank 400 rupees. तो 400 रुपीज बैंक में क्या हो गए, हमारे अकाउंट से डेबिट हो गए, माइनस. बट वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. अभी हमने उसकी एंट्री कैश बुक में नहीं करी है. सो द कैश बुक बैलेंस इज मोर. अब अगर हम कैश बुक में भी माइनस कर ले 400 रुपीज, देन इट वुड बिकम इक्वल टू, कैश बुक will become equal to passbook. Kushpreet, are you getting? Explain this transaction again. Kushpreet, did you get?
No, sir. This one now.
Kushpreet, you are not getting?
No, sir.
It means you have
This one.
attended the first class. You are not aware of the differences. You cannot cram anything in accounts. If you are able to understand actually what is happening in real life situation, these are all real life situation cases. All those who have accounts in the bank, they face these situations because these are happening there every day in routine. But because you are not able to understand what is happening, you are not able to get which side is more, which side balance is more. Principal, pay attention. Priya, are you getting? Priya Sharma. Ansika. Ansika Bhatia. So now we have to total the sides. Add the side. Hassan, what is the total? 6, 7, 7,400. 7,400 is the total of debit side. $5,860 is the total of माइनस कॉलम. इन दोनों का आप डिफरेंस निकाल लेंगे. 1540 1540 is the difference of this. Credit balance एज पर पासबुक। क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हुआ था, देखिए कैश बुक बैलेंस, खत्म हो रहा है पासबुक बैलेंस। ओवरड्राफ्ट से स्टार्ट हुआ था, इधर क्रेडिट बैलेंस पे जाके खत्म हुआ। डेबिट साइड ज्यादा है, डेबिट साइड और कैश बुक की ज्यादा है, प्लस कैश बुक का डेबिट मींस पासबुक का क्रेडिट। कैश बुक का डेबिट इज पासबुक का क्रेडिट। So is it clear? Shruti, Anjali, Ankit, is it clear? Okay. Always, Shruti, you are always joining late, not in dress also. Bilal, clear? Got something? Because first of all, you have to go through the first class, second class, introduction class, and the class where I explained you the causes of difference. Then how to prepare BRS, how to compare it one book with the other. I will explain, I will solve 2 more questions, and after that you will do the chapter by yourself. Next week I will start depreciation, next chapter. So you have to do lot many questions every day. You have to solve at least 8 to 10 questions so that you are able to do it properly. 8 to 10 questions daily if you will solve, then only you will be able to do accountancy. Otherwise it is going to be tougher and tougher for you every day. All the numerical chapters, all the questions from all the numerical chapters are important. One numerical question from each numerical chapter will be asked in the exam. It is for sure. Theory will be only 10%, only 10%. That too will be objective and calculative. Don't depend on theory. Only numericals, only numericals, and only numericals. The 3 ways to score good in accountancy is: number 1, solve numericals; number 2, solve numericals; number 3, solve numericals. There are only 3 ways to score well in accountancy, and I have told you the secret today. Nobody will tell you this secret. If you follow this, you can score more than 90% in accountancy. Otherwise 9 marks score करना भी बड़ा मुश्किल है. As you have seen in the first term, half yearly, many of you have scored very, very poorly. Only numeric theory questions you have done. Numericals, many of you have left. Some of you have attempted only 1. So focus on it. Try to solve as many numericals. इस चैप्टर में हार्डली देयर आर 30 to 40 न्यूमेरिकल्स, 40 न्यूमेरिकल्स में भी एक दिन में अगर आप 5-6 न्यूमेरिकल करते, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ ओनली 5-6 days, अ वीक टू कंप्लीट द चैप्टर. So this is the procedure I have told you. Once again I am repeating. First of all, you will write on the top bank reconciliation statement. This is a statement, it is not an account. It is a statement which is prepared to reconcile the balance of cash book and passbook. Reconcile the balance of cash book and passbook to make them equal. So we take one book, either cash book or passbook, and compare it with the other book, and compare it with the other book, because the question is starting with the cash book balance. So we will compare it with the passbook balance. पासबुक में जो बैलेंस है हम उसके साथ इसे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. दिस इज हियर पासबुक बैलेंस. माइनस में है पासबुक या प्लस में है. उसके बाद we have to find the difference in the transaction. Very important beta, each and every transaction is different. Each and every question will be different from other question. So you have to focus on transactions, not on question. एक एक ट्रांजैक्शन आपके लिए नई है, and you will have to do more than 200 transactions, different transactions, to master this chapter. Try to understand what is the real situation, what is the real condition, practically what is happening. Put yourself in place, and then, because you see, it is very simple. Checks paid into bank but not credited. Checks issued. I have issued a check to Hassan. I have to pay 10,000 rupees to Hassan, and I have issued a check to Hassan. And immediately I have subtracted from my cash book. In the bank column, I have subtracted 10,000 rupees from the bank column. Why? Because I have issued a check. It means from my bank account, 10,000 rupees should be subtracted. But Hassan has not presented that check for payment for 10 days. For next 10 days, 10,000 rupees will not be deducted from my bank account. Practically. तो ये एक situation, real life situation है. It is not a fantasy. It is not fairy tale. You have to understand what's happening. और जब 10,000 रुपए का चेक हसन ने जमा ही नहीं किया है, तो मेरे अकाउंट से पैसे कैसे कट जाएंगे? इसका मतलब पासबुक बैलेंस विल बी मोर, मतलब बैंक में पैसे ज्यादा रहेंगे और कैश बुक में अमाउंट कम से होगा. अगर 50,000 रुपए पहले जमा थे तो मैं कैश बुक को पासबुक से टैली करूंगा तो कैश बुक विल शो 40,000 एंड पासबुक विल शो 50,000. यही आपको पता लगाना है. अब आपको पता चल गया पासबुक में तो भाई 50,000 है और कैश बुक में 40,000 है. तो क्या तरीका है कि आप कैश बुक को पासबुक के बराबर कर लें? आप कैश बुक में 10,000 रुपए प्लस कर दीजिए, क्योंकि अभी वहां पर माइनस नहीं हुए पासबुक में. कैश बुक में आप जैसे ही 10,000 रुपए प्लस करेंगे, इट विल बिकम 50,000 विच विल बी इक्वल टू पासबुक. और अगर मान लीजिए कहीं पासबुक बना रहे हैं, इफ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग पासबुक एंड देन वी आर टेलिंग इट विद द कैश बुक, तो कैश बुक में 40,000 है और पासबुक में 50,000 है. अगर पासबुक को सही करना है तो पासबुक में 10,000 रुपए माइनस कर दीजिए. It will become equal to cash book. So it is also very important to note which book you are preparing. If you are preparing cash book, तो आपको पासबुक के बराबर अपने आप को करना है. If you are preparing passbook, तो आपको कैश बुक को अपने बराबर करना है. It means कहीं पर आपको माइनस करना होगा, कहीं पर आपको प्लस करना होगा. And that is the important thing. दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है इसमें हाउ मच अमाउंट का डिफरेंस है. 14,600, 12,200. कई बार बच्चे 14,600 माइनस कर देते हैं या प्लस कर देते हैं, कई बार 12,200 प्लस माइनस कर देते हैं, लेकिन होना है उसका डिफरेंस. कई बार ये वाला अमाउंट भी माइनस हो सकता है, कई बार ये भी हो सकता है. दैट यू हैव टू सी व्हाट द ट्रांजैक्शन इज talking about, what is the actual. So this you can do. I cannot tell you all, and you cannot remember all, you cannot cram all the transactions. It is dependent on how many numericals you do. If you leave any one numerical also, any one transaction also, which can be asked in the exam, and then you will suffer. Therefore, try to do all the numericals, try to do all the practical questions, try to do all the illustrations, because class 11th is not a child's game. If you do not do well here and just pass class 11th, class 12th, you are not going to score anyway between above 40%. Never. So try to solve as many numericals as you can. Try to solve as many numericals as you can for your good. There are any problems, you ask me. You can message me, you can call me, you can come to my home. You take the appointment, take the permission and come and ask. But please study well. Afterwards, it will be very, very difficult for you to cover. अब आपके पास सिर्फ 3 months बचे and then there will be exams. Join the classes regularly. Those who are not joining, motivate them, tell them how important each and every class is. Please complete your work. Today, I will send you business studies, chapter number small business assignment and summary of the chapter in the PDF. Please do that. Priya, pay attention here in the class. Everything is getting recorded. If you are not interested, leave the class. Nobody will play any sort of fool here. My class is a serious class. So tomorrow again solve at least 5-7 numericals. Tomorrow I will take example of another question where passbook balance will be given and we will compare it with the cash book. 2 more questions and then I will start the next chapter. Take care of yourself, stay at home, complete your work and come back tomorrow. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.